Look outside.
We can't fucking run.
Sunday, let me back.
Whoa! Woo!
Guys, we're in the monster truck.
Yeah! Dude, ain't no way.
Do not drop the food.
Like, what the hell are the adults saying? I'm going to the ladies more. Hey, don't say that again.
Look at all of them people. And we were one of them to get on. Let's go!
Now you have.
I'm taking a picture, a video for myself.
We're the short monster truck.
Woo! That breeze feels good. I'm bumping it. Oh, crap. Woo!
Weston.
Oh,
And then it flips.
oh crap. I'm sleeping. Ah! Oh, you can see the tire from over here. Look at the tire.
This is cool. Give me a high five.
Damn.
This is cool. Give me a high five. Take it out the front. Take it out. Okay.
Dang, dude. Oh, and it's the end. Woo! And there's a bouncing slide.
I never rode.
Let's go.